Hello, let's take a look at another product from the upcoming Trinity Stamps third birthday party release. This is the Oh Snap Stamps and Dies. Oh Snap! This adorable crocodile looks too cute to snap, but you never know. This 7-piece stamp set is bound to be a lot of fun to color and create with. The largest stamp, the crocodile, measures 7.4 inches by 2.7 inches to fit across a Slimline card or stamp along the fold to decorate the front and the back side of a smaller card. This stamp is illustrated by Christie Black, and the coordinating die set is sold separately. You see here the images are stamped and die cut, and then the sentiments are stamped separately. Here's a look at a few different ways to use this stamp. Here it is used on a project that's a Slimline card, and you can also get creative with this image because it is so long, and there is a bridge fold card. Here's some more inspiration from our design team. Thank you for stopping in to have a look at Oh Snap, available on June 25th.